Hiya, Mrs. Poole here. I have been teaching your children for this half term. Our current theme is Dyfal Donc a Dir y Garreg, and that translates to, if at first you don't succeed, try and try again. So we've looked at many aspects of this theme, from famous explorers who never give up to people who aim for the stars, such as Richard Parkes, Jordan Romero, Purna Malaveth. Our main focus at the beginning of term was to focus on your children's well-being, and Mrs. Parry made sure that we had a slot on a Monday and a slot on a Friday afternoon for us to make sure that well-being has a status within our school. So we've been doing things such as Zeng tangles, creating funny dances, quizzes, mindfulness and breathing techniques, many more things as well. In our Welsh sessions, we have looked at a literacy shed clip of a man who is in Antarctica, and he wants to touch this box. Now, we looked at aspects of greed and the difference between wants and needs, and then we wrote about this. We've also looked at Everest, and we've written a report on Everest in our Welsh sessions. In English then, we've looked at Shackleton, the famous explorer who went on an expedition to Antarctica, and we're also now looking at the stowaway, Percy Blackborough, who's from Newport. So very good local link, and the children are engrossed in this subject. In maths then, we have looked at addition, subtraction, multiplication and dividing, and we focused on the basic skills first, and now we're currently building on what they've learnt since being back in school, constantly revisiting these as we know it's very important this time. In our PE sessions, we've been doing a bit of football, now we're doing a bit of rugby, and we're also creating our own dance outdoors, and the children are absolutely loving it at the moment. In our innovation sessions then, we've been looking at mainly animals and animal adaptations. We'll be doing a few experiments during this half term about Lowry Morgan, the Welsh marathon runner, and creating a flask for her. So many things to look forward to in the next half term. So I will look forward to talking to you on the phone and discussing all your children's individual needs. Thank you. Hwyl fawr. Diolch.